How you doing?
How you doing?
All right. Byron.
Josh, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to same.
Yes, sir. What does this machine do exactly?
It's a UV machine. UV is the room.
It's like a little jugs machine, huh?
Yeah. This is the light right here. So it raises up, you know what I mean? And
Right.
it cleans out the room.
Like a sun guy.
Yeah.
So what's your game plan today?
Just to show you, you know what I'm saying, how everything works. Say we doing OR, you put OR1.
Can I do OR 14? Is this gonna shoot out some footballs? Like, what's
Well,
this?
no, it ain't gonna shoot out football. It's gonna shoot out a UV light.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
see it
going.
raise up, yeah.
You have to practice for this?
Yeah, you gotta train for it.
Training camp? Like,
About 2 weeks.
that's a short camp. The uniforms only come in green?
We housekeeping, we only wear green.
No Honolulu blue? If you had a choice, what number would you put?
No number. Fine, we just represent Henry Ford.
I feel that.
Yeah.
That's a good answer. You watch sports? You watch football?
Yeah.
What's your team?
The Lions, man, come on.
Really? The Lions? You know any of the receivers?
The brown guy.
That brown guy?
Yeah.
What you think of him?
Yeah, he's like the next Megatron. Something like
Megatron, really?
that. Pretty good, he got hands. So.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, what about you?
Shoot, I like him too. Amon-Ra St. Brown, nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, that's his name. That's you?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, Russ.
Nice to meet you, man.
Is that really you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's it, we're done.
That's it? All right, okay.
Wrap it up. Now we gotta flick up.